Hello, welcome back. In this series, we're going to be looking at the understanding of the new Axure RP9 user interface layout. This course is designed solely for Axure RP9. It's not designed for Axure 7 or Axure 8 because a lot has changed. If we look at, this is Axure RP8, and if we look at the design, the layout, compared to what the Axure RP9 offers, a lot has changed. For example, the masters and the libraries are all on the same level compared to Axure 8 where they are separated in this way. In Axure 9 it is different. Pages still similar to what you see in Axure 7, in Axure 8 or on Axure 9 as well, but the color is a little bit brighter, which is good, and I love the interface. We can add our new interaction, so we don't really have to worry about that. We can add notes as well, and the page layout as well has changed. So if we look at this section as well, they have the cut and the copy and the paste, which is really nice because it's modern. A lot of prototyping tools are changing, and I think Axure RP team need to also change as well, and that is why this new version of the Axure RP9 is designed in a way that makes it more flexible to design. This icon here is to open a new Axure RP file, so many of us might not understand what that means, but this tool here is to open it, or you can as well open it from your file menu, or you can open recent file as well from it. So you have your normal publishing, which you can publish from here. You can publish your Axure share, and you can preview from here as well. And also we have the preview button here and the share on Axure share here as well, which is handy. We have the libraries, and you can always see the default library, the flow, or your custom library. But I'll just set this to the all libraries so we can see every widget and libraries that we have here. The next thing that we'll look at is the masters panel. So the masters panel is still similar to what it is before, and we can click on this little plus button to add new masters, and we can add folders as well, similar to what it is on Axure 7 or 8 or in this Axure RP9. The the way the page is formatted, if we look at, if we drop a rectangle widget on Axure 8 or 9, we realize that if we put the x-axis to 0 and we put the y-axis to 0, everything moves here as well, which is fine as well, which is something that is handy. Or we can just click this little icon here to snap it to 0 x-axis and y x-axis. So a lot has changed on Axure 9, and we can simply still do more and more prototyping, and the formatting as well, the style, everything has changed. So you will need to understand where you are going to be using the fill. The shadow has changed, in terms of the design, and it's really very handy as well, for us to to work on this Axure RP9. So in the next tutorial, we will be looking at how we can set up our page, because this course is focusing on a mobile prototyping, and if we want to set up a mobile prototype, we will be looking at setting up our page, which is the feed to content, and we'll be looking at setting up this page like this, and we will be able to prototype. Only anything we put inside this area will be displayed. Anything outside this white area is not gonna be displayed. If we drop a widget here and we preview our widget, for example, we can only see just what is within that white area. which is very good and is similar to, I think, Sketch as well. So we will be looking at that and understanding how to prototype easily as well. So I'll see you in the next series, in the next lessons, and we will continue on our course of Axure RP mobile prototyping. Thank you.